In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the Narrator audio output device on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select accessibility on the left panel. And then on the right side underneath vision, you want to go down and locate Narrator. Go ahead and select that. And then scrolling down underneath Narrator's voice, there should be a Narrator's audio output device. Click the drop down and you can select a different one from the default one that's connected to your system. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.